Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to withdraw money from BetMGM. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about the withdrawal process. In 2025, BetMGM offers a variety of withdrawal methods, catering to different preferences. Let's take a look at these options. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to initiate your withdrawal request. Follow along closely to ensure a smooth process. To complete your withdrawal, you'll need to verify your identity. Let's go over the necessary documentation. Processing times vary based on the withdrawal method you choose. Here's a breakdown of what you can expect. Sometimes things don't go as planned. Let's discuss common issues during withdrawals and how to troubleshoot them. Be aware of potential fees that may be associated with various withdrawal methods. Here's what you need to know. Checking the status of your withdrawal request is easy. Here's how you can do it right from your account dashboard. To facilitate a smoother withdrawal experience, here are some helpful tips that you can follow. In conclusion, understanding the withdrawal process at BetMGM can greatly enhance your gaming experience. Thank you for watching.